Hello, third grade, and welcome to another math skill. We are going to be looking at area using standard units. As we go along, make sure that you are following in your book, in your Envision book, or on your Classkick page. Let's go ahead and begin. How to measure area using standard measurements of length? Meg bought this United States sticker. What is the area of her sticker in square centimeters? Centimeters are about the width of your pinky or smaller. You can measure area using standard units of area. There are some standard units of both length and, so maybe you've heard of like inches or feet or centimeters or meters. When we square these and make them into a square, that will find the area. So we can have square inches, square feet, square centimeters, and square meters. How do the names of standard units of length relate to the names of standard units of area? You can see that it still has inches, but they are squared. The units of area contain the names of the units of length, inch, foot, centimeter, and meter, as well as the word square. That's what changes it. Adds the word square. What would 1 square meter look like? I want you to think about a meter stick. If you extend your arms all the way out, that's how long a meter is. To find the area of Meg's United States sticker, count the unit squares. What square unit, back a little bit, what square unit is used to measure the area of this sticker? I want you to picture a sticker in your head and how small a sticker might be. And 1 centimeter, this is about the area of your pinky. We can find the area by counting how many squares there are or using an array to help us find the total. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can see that it covers 6 square meters. Let's go to our Classkick and practice some of these strategies. Number 1, if Meg's sticker on page 314 measured 2 inches by 3 inches, what would its area be? Now we can draw this. We'll use the line tool again to draw our rectangle. And this is just like drawing an array. One more. Please make sure that you have drawn yours out on your page as well. Now Meg's sticker is 2 inches by 3 inches. Now if you think about an array and how we divide them up by columns and rows, you can see we have 1, 2 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. To find the area, we can count all of the square units inside the sticker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 total square inches in this sticker. We can write this like this: inches And then we'll write a small 2 at the top to show that it is squared. This symbol right here means inches squared. Go ahead and write that down. Number 2, Zoe paints a wall that measures 8 feet by 10 feet. Notice how they both have these same units. Feet. What units should Zoe use for the area of the wall? Feet. To find the area, they need to find the feet squared. Actually, I'm going to say that the other way. Squared feet. I'll type that out. Squared feet. Make sure that yours is typed out as well. Let's look at number 3. Now we are measuring in squared feet right here. And we'll practice 2 of the ways that we can find the area. The first way is by numbering each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we would get 12 squared feet. Now when I shorten a word like SQ period or FT, those are called abbreviations, and we can use abbreviations in our units. For number 4, let's practice the second way by using an array and multiplication to find the area. To use an array, we count how many rows, 2 rows, and how many columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 columns. We can multiply the rows times the columns to equal the area. So we can add in our numbers from there. 2 rows, 6 columns, and I can count by 2 6 times to find 6 times 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This has an area of 12 square meters. Square, I'll use that abbreviation again, meters. Make sure you have this written out. Down at the bottom, you are doing the same thing. Now, for the even numbers, I want you to use an array to answer your problems. I will add your multiplication sentence underneath, and I'll put one at the top for you to remember what each part means. So we have our rows, column, and area. So that's what you're going to use for the even numbers. So you have to find that first 6, 8, and 10. For the odd numbers, you may choose if you want to use an array to help you solve it, or if you want to count each individual one. Make sure that in your answer, you use the correct standard of measurement. So after you find the area, write square centimeters or square meters or square inches. After you've completed those 6, you are done with your math skill part for today.